Today we're going to go ahead and unbox the QNAP TS-231K. I got this on sale from NewEgg, and this is actually my first QNAP. I do have several Synologies, but this is my first QNAP. So let's open this up. Okay, we've got a quick installation guide. Now, although it has a picture of a unit that holds 4 drives, this only holds 2. Got some screws and keys, an Ethernet cable, and the power supply. Now back inside the box here, we've got the power cord that goes to the power adapter and the main unit. So let's pull this out. Ooh, that's nice and shiny. Alright, so it looks like we just pull these right out. You install your drives inside and plug it all in. Now on the front here we've got a USB 3 port, it looks like. And then turning over to the back, we've got 2 gigabit Ethernet ports and 2 USB 3 ports, as well as where you plug the power in right here. Now this NAS in particular has the Annapurna Labs, which is an Amazon company, processor in it. It is a quad-core AL-TAC 214 1.7 GHz processor. It comes with 1 gig of RAM, which I do not believe is expandable, and it will house 2 2.5-inch or 3.5-inch SATA drives. Now also, this model does support snapshot protection. So with snapshots enabled, you could potentially roll back any damage if this unit was ever compromised or had its data encrypted through any type of ransomware.